Oh, we're loading.
GMC?
We have a GMC, a Ford, and now we have a Dodge. That worked out beautifully.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I didn't plan that. I didn't plan that at all. If I planned it, I would have been so impressed.
Good job.
All right, so here we have Dawson, Nelson,
Ooh,
80.
look at this one. I think this truck gets the...
What?
That's the toilet.
That's rude. We haven't even broken it down yet.
I'm just kidding, Dawson.
All right, Dawson, Nelson, 80. Location, Longview, Alberta. Okay, so we got another Albertan. Again, I don't know Longview specifically. Do you?
Nope, I do not.
Okay. So I'm guessing it's a smaller place in Alberta. So again, diesel truck, very appropriate.
Hell yeah.
The truck is a, not sure what year. Looks like a second gen, but it's a Dodge Ram 24 valve Cummins, baby. That's what's important. It's a Cummins.
19.
And he's 19 years old.
That's
oh
sick.
my god.
This kid knows what he's doing.
Is he in his backyard of his school?
Probably.
Like it looks.
I think he's right in the middle of the field. Not giving a fuck about anything.
Is his front windshield limo tinted? Dude.
And has snow on the other half.
Dude, Dawson is balling out of control at his school. 19 years old. He just graduated.
This guy better not be slanging.
Dude, Dawson, just keep your head up straight. Stay focused on the
You know what you're doing with that limo tint.
Yeah.
Get yourself straight, Dawson. 2.5 inch leveling kit. Okay.
2.5 inch leveling kit. I respect that, especially on a second gen. That's a respectable thing to do. Like, you don't want to jack those things way up. 2.5. I feel like Dawson knows a thing or two about trucks.
Yeah.
Third gen bumper with light bars. So he went from second gen, and then he liked the third gen bumper, so he completely changed the front end look based on his specific likes.
I'm gonna say this right now. That front bumper is clashing hard.
I was waiting to see what you were gonna
Yeah.
say. I was waiting to see.
It's clashing hard with that chrome grill.
You know what I see
bumper.
with that bumper?
What?
Is you see how narrow that grill is, and then you got this big, thick bumper. It looks like the front bumper like ate half of the grill.
It's like a big underbite.
yeah. Dawson, not your best move.
It's like that guy in Bubblegum Cream.
Yeah.
Corn cream,
So I think
shrimp soup, shrimp salad.
And we barely got any info, Dawson. We have a leveling kit. I can see a light bar. Like, that did not come with the second gen.
Dawson.
They didn't even have light bars when second gens came out.
Dawson was stoned when he sent all that shit out.
And those tires, I don't think those are stock. Do you?
No, they don't look stock to me.
No, not at all. And
although it's only a 2.5 inch leveling kit, so maybe it's like.
I feel like Dawson keeps a lot of secrets.
Not a secret.
He's hiding behind that limo tint. He's not giving us a lot of info.
Is this a single cab?
Oh, it is a single. Oh, Dawson.
Damn.
Dawson. That changes some.
Is it? Is it though?
It is.
It is.
It is. I think it just looks different on there. But on here, you can clearly see it's a single cab.
Really?
I think it's just the angle. It looks like there might be like a back.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hard to say. Dawson.
It's a single cab with like a bench seat in the back, though I think you pull the seat forward.
Oh yeah, little dumpy bucket seats.
Dawson, you're an interesting guy. You're a very interesting guy, Dawson. There's a lot going on here. I don't know. I can't wrap my head around this one. All he wrote was 35s. Okay, so you got 35 tires. Your rims, we're not sure.
That's as much as you can go with a 2.5 inch leveling kit.
They're not stock.
He probably rubs a bit still too.
He's got that giant antenna.
Ooh.
What are you trying to? What kind of information are you trying to get?
Is he using this in the bush?
Like, who are you communicating?
You got a bush
Dawson?
radio in there, Dawson? Huh?
Dawson, you're very interesting. You should write a book. I would read it.
Dawson's long view on life.
Dawson Nelson 80. Should we look up his profile?
Sure.
I feel like we can learn.
Let's go creep a bit.
We can learn something.
We're gonna creep up Dawson.
Hopefully it's not private. He seems like the kind of guy that would have a private profile.
He would. What's up with private profile, guys? I don't get it. I guess if you're like 19, you don't want like your parents creeping on you and shit, or I don't know.
Or like maybe like you have one where you express yourself more, and then the other one it's more like inside stuff for like close friends and family. I don't know. Dawson. Let's look you up.
Dawson.
Ooh, profile picture. Bull riding.
Oh, this guy's.
It is private, but the information we have is hashtag ride for Ben. So shout out to Ben. I rodeo and live on a ranch, and I'm 19 now. I rodeo and live on a ranch,
Dawson.
and he's 19. That's his picture. You can kind of see that there's like a bucking bull.
He's a bull rider.
He's a badass,
This
dude.
guy could probably beat the shit out of me.
Out of you?
Oh yeah. Both. He rides bulls, dog.
Dude.
That's fucking psycho.
He drove his truck onto the field of his school with limo tint. Probably had the light bar, blinding the teachers as he was going by, giving them the finger, playing country music, drinking 40s.
Principal came up and gave him his food and asked him if he wanted to have sex with his wife.
Dude, I'm scared of Dawson. Dawson, please, do not hurt us.
Don't beat me up, but I'm going to be honest in this review, Dawson. That's just the way it goes.
Please continue to support us, Dawson. We want you on our team.
Okay, so let's start. I'm going to go first.
Well, just do one. Just do the truck, and then I'll give mine.
Okay, overall, I'm giving this truck. I like this truck.
Oh, we didn't make any numbers.
No.
Okay, next time.
Hold our fingers up.
This is gonna get a lot better.
Overall, I'm giving this truck a 7.
Can we get some more information as to how you got to that number? You can't put your finger on it? Like I can't put my finger on Dawson?
There hasn't been a lot. There hasn't been a lot done to it. You know, like it looks good.
Maybe there has.
It looks nice. I just don't have enough information. You know, like it sits nice with that leveling kit on those 35s. That's a good match. The only thing that's clashing is that front bumper and the grill. Like you either need to rip that chrome out of the grill and get black going there, or some. It almost looks like it's cutting the lights in half, that bumper. So other than that, it looks good. You know what? I'm sorry to do this to you, Dawson. I'm going 6.5. I'm going 6.5 overall. What are you going?
Dawson, you were off to a blazing start. You have a second gen. I mean, you're 19 years old with a second gen.
That's tight.
It was pretty hard to go down from an 8, but you did. You put that third gen bumper on that 8 half your truck. It's not the same color. Like Heavy Brown said, it ate half your headlight and most of your grill. Not a fan of that. Definitely some power moves with the limo tint, the blacked out rims for a 19-year-old. Like the stance is beautiful. There was a lot that could have went well, but there was some crucial mistakes, and I'm also down in the 6s at 6.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at me setting the stage. Performance, I'm just putting up a big question mark. I don't know.
Performance, I'm going to say not good. If there was something to write home about, he would have wrote it. He would have sent it in. And he didn't. I'm guessing this truck's not even moving right now.
Are you serious?
I'm at 5.
Oh, wow. 5 for performance?
Yep. Dawson, please prove me completely wrong and send me a video of like you on a dyno going like 1,200 horsepower.
I would love that. I'm going to give him 5.5 for performance. Sorry, Dawson.
Tough.
But, you don't tell me what's going on, I can't rate it correctly. That's just the way it goes. Okay, uniqueness. I mean, that bumper's unique, but I don't think in the right
Not
way.
in a good way.
Not in a good way. But second gen, that is pretty unique out there now, you know? I can fuck with that.
And it looks immaculate.
It does look good. Limo tint, that's unique.
Like for living on a ranch, that thing's in great shape.
I'm going to go 7. 7 for uniqueness. That's a big 7 from Heavy Brown.
7. Uniqueness, again, you're driving from what I can see, a very nice looking second gen, which is hard. You've got some cool things like the limo tint. Very unique nowadays with all the tickets being handed out. Cool stance to it. I love the 2.5 leveling kit. Again, I hate the bumper. Light bars are almost less unique now. Like more people have light bars than don't nowadays. So that's definitely not unique. I do like how he is repping the beautiful, like, what's that color? The gray.
It's like metallic.
I love that color for like people that rock it with confidence, because it's actually a great color in my opinion. Uniqueness. I mean, I couldn't figure Dawson out, but that was more that I think Dawson's unique. As far as his truck goes, it's pretty unique, not overly unique. I'm at a 7, but you're very close to going down to a 6.5.
Ooh,
Yeah.
soft 7.
Dawson, but I love you. Like
I think he's 19 though, so like he's probably not too far into this.
Okay, at the end of the day,
to go.
At the end of the day, he's 19 with a second-gen diesel truck.
So,
like Dawson's winning in life,
and he's got a lot of shit to do. He knows that. He's got lots of plans for the truck, I'm sure.
Yeah, and like Dawson, good for you, man. I'm sorry we were hard on it, but
we all make mistakes with our trucks. You can fix that bumper anytime.
the bumper comes off super easy. If you need a hand, leave us a comment. We'll tell you how to do it. But I'm sure you already know how to do it because you seem like a manly man.
You seem like a manly man.
All right. Well, that's our episode. We reviewed 3 trucks from Boosted Builds. I'm Boost Pablo.
I'm Heavy Brown.
Big Heavy Brown on Instagram.
Big Heavy Brown, but I'm just Heavy Brown because otherwise it's redundant AF. So we will see y'all next time when we review 3 more dope trucks. Till then, we
music.
love
Hit him with something.
you and...
I don't like that one.
Time to go to bed.
Crickets. Hopefully somebody watches this so there's not crickets. Is there anything positive to like leave on a high note?